Hi dear students, today we are going to learn the topic of grammars. Its name is adjectives, degrees of comparison. The degrees of comparison with adjectives. Let us first of all see the adjectives. Adjectives. What is the exactly adjectives? The adjectives are words that describing nouns. The adjectives are words that describing nouns. What is the exactly noun? The noun is a word that contains person, place or thing. Yeah, the name of the persons, place and things, that is known as noun. And the adjectives are the describing words. An adjective to give the more information about noun. So we will write here the noun. For example, the name of person, place and thing. In case of noun, the name of the person, Narendra Modi. In case of noun, in place, the name of place, Fort Raigad. And the name of the thing, a book. These are the three nouns with person, place and thing. And what is the exactly adjectives? Adjectives are words that describing nouns. These are the nouns and adjectives that describe of person, place and things. In case person, Narendra Modi. The Narendra Modi is good person. How is it Narendra Modi? The Narendra Modi is good person. Or the Narendra Modi is best speaker. The best speaker. And Narendra Modi is clever prime minister. Clever prime minister. These are the adjectives. Good, best and clever are adjectives, and they describes the Narendra Modi as person. Next, in case of Raigad, the Raigad is beautiful place. Or the Raigad is very old place. Or the Raigad fort is built by built stones. Then beautiful, old and big are adjectives. They describes Raigad as a place. And in case book, the book is colorful book. Colorful book. Or the book has 100 pages. How many pages? 100 pages. Or the book is nice book. Then colorful, 100 and nice are adjectives. They describes the book as thing. So these are the 9 words that's actually describing words, or you can say that they are giving more information about these nouns. Now let's look into the some examples. The example of Ram is tall boy. Ram is tall boy. Tall is a adjective, and these describing words tell the information about Ram. The describing words tall, they tell the quality of Ram. The next example, Rakesh has 10 pens. In this sentence, the 10 is an adjective, and these describing words tell the more information about Rakesh. The Rakesh has 10 pens. And next example, this is a small ball. In this sentence, the adjective is small. This word tell about a ball. The ball is small. The qualities of ball. How is it ball? The ball is small. So tall, 10 and small are the adjectives, and these adjectives describing noun. Ram, Rakesh and ball. Now let's look into the adjectives degrees of comparison. There are 3 types of degrees. The name of positive degree. The second, comparative degree. And third, superlative degree. We will see the example of positive degree. Ajay is tall person. Ajay is tall person. And comparative degree, Vijay is taller than Ajay. And in superlative degree, Raju is the tallest of the 3. Here, these are the 3 examples of positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. In first sentence, it use the tall, and tall is a adjective. In this sentence, we do not compare Ajay with anyone. The second sentence, Vijay is taller than Ajay. In this sentence, taller is an adjective. the taller when we compare any other person. In superlative degrees, example, Raju is the tallest of the three. The tallest. We use the tallest when we compare two more than persons. We compare in the Ajay, Vijay and Raju with their height. The Raju's height is compared with Ajay's height and Vijay's height. We use tallest when we compare more than two persons. Ajay is tall person. The describing word tall tell the height of Ajay. So it is a positive degree. Vijay is taller than Ajay. Here taller is an adjective and taller describes to the Vijay's height. Is taller than Ajay. It is a comparative degree. And Raju is the tallest of the three, means tallest is an adjective. These words describe about Raju. The compare more than two persons, Ajay and Vijay, and the height of Ajay and Vijay. So in this sentence it is an superlative degree. So remember, positive degree is not comparing any things. It just gives information about noun. Number second, comparative degree is used to compare two things, and superlative degree is used to compare more than two persons या things. Remember, the positive degree is not comparing anything, it just gives information about noun, and the comparative degree is used to compare two things, and superlative degree is used to compare more than two persons या things. Thus, we saw the adjective degree of comparison: positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. Now let's look into the forms of adjectives. There are three forms of adjectives. By adding er in comparative, degree and for superlative degree. There are three forms of adjectives, and er in comparative degree, and by adding est for superlative degree. So we shall write here positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. In positive degree, the adjective is bright. Bright is an adjective. By adding er in comparative degree, brighter. Brighter. Er in adding. And by adding est in superlative degree. The first form right here bright and adding est. So make the brightest. And brightest is a third form of the adjectives. Next adjective old. The second form by adding er the base words in comparative it's made older, and by adding est in superlative it's made oldest. Est and er. There are different form of adjectives. The first form, second form and third form. Another example. High. High, higher and highest. Small, smaller and smallest. Next, strong. By adding er, stronger. And third form of adjective, strongest. These are the different form of adjectives. You find more adjectives in your textbook, in your grammar textbook, and write in your notebook. Note the characters er and est at the end of comparative degree and superlative degree. Let's look into the another way for changing of adjectives by adding r in comparative degree and by adding est in superlative degree. So the example, nice. This is the first form of adjective. How to make the second form? By adding r in base word. Nice, nicer. One new one. Here add r. So become nicer. And in superlative degree, nice means est by adding est for superlative. The next word, white. By adding r, whiter. WHIT, white. By adding r, whiter and whitest. Another word, wise. The second form of adjective, by adding r, wiser. And in comparative and in superlative degree, wisest. Next example, fine. Finer and finest. So these are the form of adjectives. By adding r in comparative degree and by adding est in superlative degree. Note the characters are at the end of comparative degree and the characters est at the end of superlative degree. There are some adjectives, they cannot convert it into these ways. These are called irregular adjectives. Examples, them are number 1, good. The goods second form better, and third form best. The second bad, worse, and worst. The third little, less, and least. These are the irregular adjectives. You find more examples of irregular adjectives in your textbook. Let's look into the another way of changing form of adjectives by adding more in comparative degree and by adding most in superlative degree. How to make the adjectives? First, beautiful. Beautiful is the first form of adjective and it used in positive degree. The second form of beautiful is more beautiful. The third form, most beautiful. The more beautiful, this is an adjective in use comparative degree, and most beautiful in use superlative degree. The next example, important. The second form, more important and most important. The third example, difficult. The second form, more difficult. And the third form of difficult, most difficult. The difficult, more difficult, and most difficult. These are the, by adding more in comparative degree, by adding most in superlative degree. Thus, we learned about the adjective, and adjectives are words that describes noun या pronouns. Then we discussed about adjectives degrees of comparison. For adjectives which are positive degree, comparative degree, and superlative degree.